Hybrid vehicles are the newest thing. You may have one. A lot of people do. And we just did a video on maintaining them. But what about just servicing? To keep them going good.
Yeah,
what
maintenance,
do you guys
repairs.
do to, Weber?
Well, for one thing, we know how they work. We're trained.
That's actually surprisingly enough. That's really important, and some don't.
And
do they?
and sadly, it's rare.
Yeah.
But we're trained on them. We know how they work. We've been servicing them for a while. They are excellent. They work great. They're the city mileage is double what a non-hybrid would be, right?
Fantastic.
Yeah.
So what
Yep,
in
amazing.
terms of servicing? What's the regular thing that has to be done that might be different than you do with a normal car?
Oil service is about the same.
Okay.
But coolant is a lot of times different. The cooling system fluid, that's a lot of times different. That has to be done different. If air conditioning work is different,
Is it?
It takes a different refrigerant oil. So and there's precautions, right? There's orange cables on those things. And orange cables means that they can kill you if you're not don't take the right precautions.
Really?
Oh
Jeez.
yeah. Yeah.
Jeez.
There's high voltage in that. Though that voltage is enough to kill you for sure.
Yeah. You don't know that from personal experience, and I'm glad because you're here right
I'm
now.
here,
But,
right?
Yeah.
Yeah, but we know enough that you've got to have the right gear. You've got to have the right type of gloves. You got to have the right type of equipment. You got to know how to shut certain systems off so you can safely work on them. And we know that.
That's because I know you guys stay on top of things. So just
Yes.
tell the folks if they got a hybrid.
Yeah.
Who should they think about?
If you've got a hybrid vehicle, we're capable to take care of it for you and can save you a lot of money compared to the dealership.